Hello bears, in this tutorial I'll show how to solve Instagram story restyle option missing. Let's see how to fix this problem. Go to Play Store, click on search bar, search Instagram, update Instagram app if available Play Store or App Store, tap on hold Instagram, click on app info or I button, click on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache, tap on clear storage, tap on delete. Now go to Instagram, click on your story. Now Instagram restyle option showing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like and subscribe.